Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to What's the Show. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be using this beautiful terracotta kit in my A5 White Aura Style Cloud. The kit is from Eileen Planning. If you use Eileen 15, you'll get 15% off. And my PR freebie. I just want to give you guys a heads up that I did get a text in the middle of the video, so therefore the ending did not record. So I truly 100% apologize for that. I'm working on that as we speak. So today I'm going to be doing something different, not using a lot of deco stickers, and it's going to be somewhat of a lot of white space. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to be adding the full boxes in the center. And what I also wanted to say was that this terracotta kit is, like I said, a collection. So when I link it down below, I will link down the kits along with the, I think those are the water splatters and the brush strokes. Everything in the kit is so super duper cute. It can transform like your journaling pages, your memory spreads, and as you can see, your planner spreads. So it is very versatile, this collection, and it is a great fall kit to use now or maybe even in November as well. So I'm going to be using the top stickers for writing down work schedule, and also just using some school stickers from Sugar Pop Fizz. The bottom section is for PR check-ins. So I'm also going to be using the little brush strokes from the kit as well. Not from the kit, that are sold separately. My apologies. So I'm just marking down a few things here and there. So like I said, that's going to be the quarter boxes, and I'm just going to alternate between half boxes and the brush strokes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. When I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness. All right, so now I'm going to be adding the thicker washi from the kit. It comes in the what is that? The long washi. Sorry guys, a little bit of a brain fart. Oh please, coffee kick in. Oh my goodness. I wish we were back on the weekend. But like I said, the school stickers are from Sugar Pop Fizz, and I will leave the link down to her shop below if she still has it. If the link isn't there, then that means that she doesn't have the stickers anymore. So now I'm going to be using the flag stickers to mark trash. She does have two trash stickers in the kit. But I needed a third one, but she does have trash stickers sold separately. So I will link that as well, so you guys can see the amazing variations that she has in trash stickers. So now I'm going to be adding the rest of the thicker washi to the boxes that don't have any, to add a little deco. And also I'm going to be adding that coffee sticker is from her shop as well. I mean, not from the shop, from the kit. And that is to mark an appointment that I have on Wednesday. And this is Mix a Cat, so we have taco night every Friday. That's my son's tradition. And now I'm going to be figuring out where I want this gorgeous weekend banner that matches the kit perfectly. So now at this point, I'm going to be adding the long terracotta brushstroke strips. And here's where the video gets cut off. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.